Yes, nature is everywhere. The rabbits outdoors. That's why it's important to preserve nature, because look at these creatures. They live here too. It's their land as much as ours, isn't it? So don't pollute. That's why I don't agree with all these scented products being blown out of dryer vents. Not only is it awful just walking down the street and having to smell all these chemicals pouring out, it can't be any good for these creatures that are out there, the birds, the squirrels, the rabbits, and other animals, depending on where you live. I'm sure they want the air to be as clean as possible, just like we should. Cute. Let me know in the comments below what you think about all these scented products that are flowing into our air everywhere you go, whether it's in your workplace, in your home. You can control that. Outdoors, in your yard, where it's coming to you from your neighbors. Public places, parks. Do you know about all the chemicals that are in the scented products you're using? It's worth doing some research, and a great book to read is called The Case Against Fragrance by Kate Grenville. She's an Australian author of fiction books who noticed that she was getting a lot of reactions to scented products, headaches and not feeling well. So she decided to write a book about it and do a lot of research. And it's a very interesting book with a lot of information that would be surprising to you to know. And well worth reading. Cute bunny. They like to sit under that tree. And look at, they're eating the greens. That's what they do. And so it's a shame that they would come and, put weed killers on the lawns and so on, because look, these rabbits, they're probably not benefiting from eating poisons if they are sprayed. I think he sees me. Hello, Mr. Rabbit. Spotted me. I'm not doing anything, just filming you. It's watching what you're doing. Oh, big stretch. Just checking it out. So let me know what you think, and if you've done any research on the products that you use. Are you sensitive to these products, scented products, laundry products, different products that people put in the dryer, air fresheners, plug-ins, scented candles, perfumes, hair products, hairsprays. If a person uses all these products, they are really absorbing these chemicals 24/7, because it's in the air in their home, and they are putting it on their body directly every morning. And yeah, and all these chemicals mixing together once you're using different products, and you're mixing different chemicals together, there's also chemicals formed that result from those mixing. So it could be a cause for a lot of problems in our health. A lot of people have migraines, and many, many other problems. If you want to look up some information, Dr. Stephen Genuis, Genuis, has some YouTube videos up. He's a well-known researcher that's been researching environmental health for many years now, and you might find his talks very interesting if you're interested in this topic, or if you could be suffering multiple chemical sensitivities, fragrance sensitivity, chemical sensitivity, and you may be in this situation and find that at least there's people like Dr. Genuis who is trying to make people aware, and who's studying this, and who knows the information of what these things are causing all of us in general. And yes, it's also harming our planet, because all these products are going into our water system, into the earth, into our bodies. It's in the air. Yes, I know, we've been trying to fight pollution for forever. Yeah, exactly. But we should try to improve it, shouldn't we? And we should not add to it. That's the thing. Should we be making it worse by adding all these chemical products directly to our body? It's not smart. It's not health-wise. And it's not making us stronger. There's a lot of diseases out there. A lot of people suffering. And what do? They just go to the doctor and perhaps get some prescription drugs. I don't think that's the solution. Taking drugs and then going and still absorbing all those chemicals. Not a good idea. So I think education is something that we all need. And we need a healthier planet. We need to be stronger and healthier in order to make our planet better for the future and for the present. What do you think? Put your comments below. Have you read the book by Kate Grenville? Have you seen the videos? Dr. Genuis. Are you doing anything in your life to solve your health problems? Are you doing any research? Let me know in the comments. And if you have some information to share, make a video as well. I think we can all help each other. There's a lot at stake. And we all want a healthier, happier life. That's the main thing. That rabbit just wants a healthy, happy life. It's pretty happy in that spot. So we can watch nature all day, can't we? It's so soothing. And it's so great to get out in nature. So I'm going to be going out for a walk. I'm just looking through my window right now. But it's nice to see Mr. Bunny out there. Content and relaxed until he runs off again. He's doing some cleaning. Had a little snack, taking a bath, and he's probably going to be off for some exercise. But one thing you know, sometimes animals are smarter than humans, because he's not going to directly go and put chemicals into his body. He's not going to put chemicals into his fur. And he's not going to put chemicals on those plants that he's eating. That's not his choice. So, preserve nature. Stay away from spraying pesticides and chemical ones on your plants. Oh, the sun is coming up. Having a sunny day. The nice trees. Beautiful. It's a beautiful day, September. We're so lucky. Well, Mr. Rabbit, it's time to wrap this video up. Hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts below. Subscribe and thumbs up. If you liked it, you're gonna come back. And why wouldn't you? I can't think of a reason why you wouldn't want to come back and see some more of nature. Healthy living tips. There he is, gonna rest. He really likes that spot. He's gonna just take it easy there. So, bye Mr. Rabbit. Have a great day. Enjoy your spot under the tree.